Welcome back on to the rest of our stories. And a leading medical imaging company, Cassona Global, has reiterated its commitment to addressing the gaps in healthcare infrastructure in Ghana and beyond. The company's mission includes enhancing the accessibility and affordability of high-quality medical equipment, which is often the backbone of medical institutions. Cassona Global is determined to empower healthcare providers in Ghana to deliver exceptional services and bridge the gap in medical equipment supply.
Global Imaging Limited steps in with a passionate mission to transform Ghana's health sector and provide solutions to the glaring equipment deficiency. Ghana's healthcare sector, like many others in developing nations, faces inadequacy of advanced medical equipment because availability of reliable diagnostic tools, imaging machines, and therapeutic equipment is limited, posing significant obstacles to accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, Cassona Global Imaging has developed a comprehensive solution for the problem. The company, as part of their effort, trained laboratory technicians in some health facilities in Tamale on how to operate and maintain the machine. A Mindray specialist, Dr. Hassan, during a demonstration in Tamale, took laboratory technicians through how to use the ultramolding scanners. Speaking to reporters, Gladys Tete explained the package they have for their customers.
Today we came to Tamale to give a demonstration of what our equipment can do. So Cassona is into a distributorship relationship with Mindray from China. They are a major manufacturer of imaging equipment in China. They are a leading brand and we have partnered with them. So we came here today to Tamale to actually show the people of Tamale what our equipment can do. We came with a clinical application specialist, Dr. Abdullah Hassan, who is an application specialist. So he took us through the special applications that these equipment use. Now we believe that whatever you're doing, you should do it and do it very well. So if you're using an equipment or an imaging diagnostic equipment, it has to be one that can do everything, so that when your patients come, it's not that you send them to some other place to be able to get their diagnosis, but you can actually do it in your facility. So if you get our equipment, you are entitled to at least 3 years warranty with the equipment that we supply.
Dr. Hassan highlighted the importance of the machines.
In general, the ultrasound is becoming more popular in hospitals. Is mandatory to have at least one unit there, and the reason is it can save patients and it's cost effective, and you can repeat the test and again. What is more is that with these machines you have those advanced features and those 3D, 4D images I just showed. That means young doctors, they can learn more for self-growth, and also they can be part of the new generation to do research and practice all these automatic tracing, detection and calculation features. So not only to diagnose and do the measurements, but also to detect something that's very subtle, prevents something that very subtle, and diagnose it.
Dr. Richard Opoku, a participant, expressed his gratitude to the team and hopes that the machine will be affordable. He said it is a crucial tool in their work.
I always say imaging, that is ultrasound and radiology. I call them living pathology because it gives you the insight of the medical condition of a living person. So imaging, in other words, ultrasound, radiology is very, very important. And if Cassona come more on board and give us modern ultrasounds and imaging equipment, I think it will go a long way to help us in our diagnosis. Now we want to be more accurate. We want to do fine diagnosis. If we see a lesion, we want to say whether it is harmful or is totally harmless.